to go and select with my object selection tool first to see what it can do selection wise. All right, it's fairly close, but I want to get some of those edges as well, so I'll go to my quick selection tool, get that as well in here. Okay, that looks pretty good. This edge. I'd rather over select than under select. Alright, looks like we pretty much have everything. Then I go ahead and use this action that I have here, and I click on that, and there we go. It has made that, but we still have this closer edge there that is still not looking so swell. So I've made a second action, so we click on this, level up, and that's made another layer here, and it made the levels higher. But that means that that was applied across everything, not just limited to the background. And so I may want to bring the mask back to its original tone there. So to do that, I will go, it should have automatically selected brush, which it has, and then pick black to conceal with this, of what it is of painting back over this mask. And so I will go, and if it looks close to the color, I'll do a lower opacity. If you go ahead and do full 100%, it'll bring it back to exactly where it was. Kind of painting that in with a brush that's nice and has a lot of taper on the side. If you go over, press X, switches it over to white, brings it over. You can even, by pressing backslash, go ahead and see the ruby lith and see exactly where my mask is. So I'll make sure that the edges are nicely taken care of and feathered around there. Okay, press that backslash, it goes away. And then if I want to have a more gradual shadow at the bottom, I'll go ahead and make it so that it's being painted out again. A nice low opacity, right, somewhere in the neighborhood of 30% or so, and just lightly go along that edge to bring that natural bit of shadow back in at the bottom. And that gets the white out. And then I'll usually go layer and flatten image. And then from there I will go and liquefy to get the shape to be just the shape that I want it to look nice. So here, just kind of going with symmetry, tugging out here. Seeing here how the seam went up a little bit. Bring that down. Right. Seeing if I see anything else that seems obvious. Making my size of that just a little bigger. Okay, bringing this down just a scotch. And bringing this part in just a bit. And that's it. So I'll hit OK. And last but not least, I will rotate my piece here because it's gotten a little off. So it's straight. And there we go. There's the completed mask. And I just hit save. That's it.